Hi guys, hope you all are fine. Today I am here with a very interesting topic which you like the most, and the topic name I'll tell you after. First of all, we go on Google to search it that what is it. It's a surprise for you today. I hide this one just to make fun. Let's start on Google on search bar. Our topic is preservation of food. Today we will discuss about preservation of food, that how we can preserve the food for the longer time. Here's the intro. Among the oldest methods of preservation are drying, refrigeration, and the fermentation. Modern methods include canning, pasteurization, freezing, irradiation, the addition of chemicals, and the advances in packaging material have played an important role in the modern food preservation. पहले के वक्तों में चीज़ों को सुखाकर रेफ्रिजरेट करके या फर्मेंटेड करके सेव किया जाता था, बट नाउअडेज इन मॉडर्न अर्ली डेज देयर आर मैनी रिलायबल मेथड्स to preserve the food, and these includes many of the sources. What are the 5 methods of preservation? Today we will discuss about the first question, which is what are the 5 methods of preservation. Let's start. Among the oldest methods of the preservation are drying, refrigeration, and fermentation. As I discussed above, the modern methods include canning, pasteurization, freezing, irradiation. It was the oldest thing that I told you before. What is meant by food preservation? Let's start with the definition. The food preservation can be defined as the process of treating and handling the food in such a way as to stop or greatly slow down spoilage and prevent the food-borne illness while maintaining the nutritional value, texture and flavor. इसका मतलब ये था कि फ़ूड प्रिजर्वेशन का मतलब ये है कि फ़ूड को इस तरह ट्रीट या हैंडल किया जाए कि ना ये ख़राब हो, मीन्स टू से नॉट टू स्पॉइल, ना इसकी मेंटेनेंस न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू ख़राब हो, बल्कि इसका फ्लेवर भी और टेक्सचर भी बरकरार रहे. व्हाट आर द 10 वेज टू प्रिजर्व फूड? 11 टाइप्स ऑफ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन टेक्निक्स. कूल टेम्परेचर स्टोरेज. कोल्ड स्टोरेज is the simplest food preservation method. Food drying, canning, water bath, canning, pressure canning, freezing, and many other. There's many other question about it. Why is preservation important? Let's discuss about it. The preservation protects the environment from harmful human activities. For example, conserving a forest typically involves the sustainable logging, means the wood cutting practices to minimize the deforestation. As the wood cutting also minimizes the deforestation, preservation would involve the setting aside part or even all of the forest from human development. I hope you will understand it. What the principle of preservation? What is the difference? It's an important question. What is the difference between the food storage and the food preservation? The major difference between the food preservation and the food storage is that the food preservation involves caring for and treating food so that it will be in its best condition for long as possible. In contrast, the food storage involves the storing food in safe and suitable environment. Hope you will understand it. Now we will discuss about the method which helps in the food preservation, and these include, as I discussed before, that the cool temperature storage and the cold water storage is the simplest food preservation method. Food drying, canning, water bath, canning, pressure canning, freezing, freeze drying, fermentation, preservation in salt and sugar. And the question is already discussed before. Now we will see the images to learn it more clearly. As in this picture, you can see the preservation of oil and vinegars are in the airtight jars, and the storing in the airtight containers. We also stored the grains and the lentils in a airtight container to prevent them, and the cold treatment. The vegetables are carried in the fish to be treated as cold, so they preserve for a long time. Heat treatment, and the water should be boiled so it can also be treated for a long time. And the preservation by common salt. The fish can be coated with the salt to also save them for a long time. And preservation by sugar. As you can see that the candies will be covered with the sugar to preserve them. Hope you will understand this lecture very clearly. Thank you.